Alright, on this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn Sabbath on or off on any Whirlpool oven. It's fairly simple to do. So in order to, right now it's off, so to turn it on, that way I can bake for longer than 12 hours and it will not be making noises throughout the whole time. Only thing I do is go to settings, and I keep hitting settings until I get to Sabbath. And then the only thing I do is press 1. So now it's on, and so that way I can bake now for over 12 hours and it won't make beeping noises and all that. It turns off all the safety precautions on here, like lock and all that. And so, for example, if I want to bake, let's go bake. Let's see, Sabbath is on. Oh, I forgot to hit, after I select, I just hit cancel. So it's on, so I can bake, for example. Let's say I want to go 375. Just hit start, and that way I can keep it on. I can keep my oven on all day long past 12 hours and it won't make any beeps. Now the whole point of Sabbath for the Jewish religion is that you don't want to have any flame. You're not allowed to make any flames or do anything digital or electric. That way it'll be on when I start my Sabbath day and it won't disturb me. But in the Jewish religion, you still eat warm food, so this will automatically keep it warm. I can take food in and out in order to observe. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.